Recent public health crises and global tax and trade decisions have helped to make the supply chain the single greatest value driver and challenge for a competitive company. Supply chain decisions influence an astounding 50 to 75% of corporate operating costs, yet most enterprises struggle to achieve the visibility needed to make timely, effective decisions to drive growth and resiliency while managing cost and uncertainty. EY's Supply Chain Intelligence platform brings the visibility you need to enable a networked and resilient supply chain for today and for the future. We combine leading qualitative and quantitative tools to rapidly synthesize large amounts of critical information in the cloud across planning, procurement, manufacturing, logistics, global trade, and tax. We bring speed to enhanced insights for better fact-based decision-making by leveraging advanced analytics powered by artificial intelligence. With the EY Supply Chain Intelligence platform powered by Microsoft Azure, you can access vendor and consumer data seamlessly, improving visibility across the end-to-end supply chain. Armed with access to your own real-time data, third-party data, and EY benchmarks, you can perform more than 100 unique analyses through easy-to-use dashboards to identify current supply chain challenges. You can then reduce risks and drive down costs by finding areas to improve productivity, lower operational expenses, and reduce inventory. And with the right data in your hands, you can transform your supply chain from rigid to resilient by moving toward optimization and synchronization. Treat your supply chain like your most strategic competitive advantage to outperform your peers and craft new value for your customers. See how EY's Supply Chain Intelligence platform can provide the smart next-generation capabilities you need to lower supply chain costs, improve resilience, and increase end-to-end visibility.